Hello folks, it's your boy Sendtohope, and I just wanted to drop this video, a very light-hearted video. Jamaica pretty much, Jamaicans pretty much shining in their respective places. It's a very quick video, simple video of a flight attendant on a WestJet Airlines making an announcement, and the way in which she announced the information with such charisma, using the Jamaican vernacular, and just getting people comfortable for their flights. It's worth watching, and it's worth smiling with, and I just wanted to drop this one for you guys. So stick and stay and watch the video. Yeah.
Your head, pull on the two ends at the front to tighten. We ask that you please put your mask on first before assisting anyone else. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most important part of the safety demonstration for all of the Jamaicans on the flight, including myself, because this is the time where we are going to be demonstrating how to use your life vest. Unlike myself, I don't know how to swim. So the life vests are located under your seat. Retrieve your life vest by pulling on the red strap. Open the pouch and remove the life vest. Place your head through the opening, ensuring the operating instructions are visible on the front. Secure the strap around your waist, fastening it at the front. Do not inflate your life vest until you have left the aircraft, and once outside, you are to pull on the red tabs to inflate or blow into the red tubes. In preparation for takeoff, we ask that you please ensure that your seat backs and table trays are in the upright and locked position. And if your electronic device falls and becomes wedged within the seat, may I beg on you please, nobody tear down WestJet seats. To retrieve it, just call one of the flight crews and we'll be happy to assist you in retrieving that item. We ask that you always use care when retrieving your carry-on bags from the overhead bin, including those duty-free items. Come in, I want you finna code nobody on the flight come in like write-up reports. At this time, we'd like to thank you for choosing WestJet. We know that there are many choices out there, and we do thank you for choosing WestJet so we can feed my family and pay my mortgage. If you have any questions or safety related concerns, please do not hesitate to bring them to our attention. The flying time today is 3 hours and 48 minutes. We know that you are going to have an awesome and fantastic flight. We're going to do this one more time in French. So for all of the Yardie them who don't speak French, just sit back and relax and pretend like you understand. Nobody now gonna know the difference.
So as I watch the video, I really, the thing that came most strongly to me is the professionalism, that was displayed by the steward, the flight attendant. And it's funny because we normally, as a society, we normally, traditionally, we have been taught to put down our dialect so much so that you don't associate Patois with professionalism. You don't associate Patois with even intelligence. Sometimes that was the common, But here is this young lady who is changing the norm, and I'm happy that Jamaica and Jamaicans in general are changing the norm about our Jamaican Patois. Patois is not the poor man or the unintelligent man language. It's everybody's language. It's Jamaica's language, and we need to be using it more in America. Wherever we go across the world, we need to be using it more. We need to speak it with pride. We need to speak it with clarity. That's another thing. We need to be clear how we speak with Patois, because not everybody understands it. And that's the uniqueness about our Patois, because when we do speak our Patois with clarity, it can be understood. And that's my little 2 cents about this video. I love it. I love the fact that the young lady, she mix it with the English. She put a little English in there. She put a little Patois in there. And then she says she gonna also explain, the conversation is gonna change to French. You know, so it's clear that she once again is versed in different language, but Patois was her choice to just communicate as clear as she could with the Jamaican people on the flight and with those persons who are curious about what Jamaica is about. Yeah, we have to big up with Jamaica, you see, no problem, you know. But as I said, it's a light-hearted video, just meant to, again, give those of us who are Jamaicans, maybe living overseas like myself here, give us a nice little vibe and create that goodwill, that vibe in our heart. You know, you ever feel like you're going home and you just feel anticipation, you feel that little sense of, yeah, I'm going home. And that's what that young lady was doing on that flight. And big up yourself. Kudos to WestJet, you know, and all the other airlines who choose to allow their staff to converse in whatever dialect, you know, is from their homeland. You know, as long as they're doing it effectively and as long as they're doing it without any type of, you know, unnecessary issues, you know, and that's what I love. Yeah, so big up. Nice reaction video. Yardie Belly, peace out. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, and we do hope that you will comment and we take the nice comments, them no profanity, no negativity. We will block you. We will block you. Yeah, but we love the good comments, the encouraging comments, we love the positivity, and we're keeping it up that level. You understand? And all these things. So big up on yourself, Jamaica. Remember me tell you.